So welcome again. In this video we are going to talk about reverse a linked list using the iteration. So what we are going to do here, suppose example is like this: 1 2 3 and null. So how we are going to solve this problem? So we are going to do the iteration and we are going to do in place reverse. So how we are going to make, we will ask 1 to point to the null, okay, and then we will change 2 is next to the 1, then 3 is next to the 1, and we will make this as head and we will return this as a reverse linked list. So to do this one we need three variable. One, suppose 1 2 3 null. So we will take one previous, which is null, sorry, which is null initially, okay, and we will take next pointer, which is null, and we will take current pointer, this one, next, okay. So current pointer is initially is going to refer head. So look at how it's going to look like. So and we will move this current until null. So first what we are going to do, as we have three variable, current null, previous null, current head, and next. So here we are going to do, we will ask current to point to the previous node, right, and then we will move next to here, we'll move current here, and then we are going to move this here, and we can remove this references, right. So in the loop 2, again we will ask current point to the previous node, okay, and we are going to move null here, current here, and previous here. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. And again we'll make this current, which is right now it's pointing to the null, so it's going to the point to the 2. Okay, we are going to move this here, current is going to be here, and your previous is going to be here. So as current is become null, so we are not going to do anything in this case, and we will return this previous, or we can make this head equal to previous, and we will return this head. So this is pretty much very simple. So how we are going to do, suppose reverse link node, head has been given, right, link node, we are going to take three variable, link node current, which is going to point head, okay, previous null, okay, and next is null. We are going to write while loop, condition should be current is not null, okay. The next pointer, we are going to track this next pointer, current dot next, right, Now we are asking current dot next point to the previous. Now previous will become current and current will become next. Okay, or return previous. So this is all about. So if you look the time complexity in this case, it's going to be O of 1, and the space, we are not using any space, so it's going to be the constant, where n is the length of the linked list. So yeah, the solution is pretty simple, but we need to track the next node before doing any operation to the current node, and this order we need to maintain. Okay. And in the algorithm part, we have already discussed how we are going to solve this problem. So here we need 3-pointer, and we can track it for each iteration. So we need list node, current node, which is going to point head. Then we need next node, which is going to point next node of the current node. So initially it will be the null. Okay. And we need previous node, and initially this will become null. Okay, we will loop unless current node become null while, okay, and try to track the next node of current node here. Then ask current node to point to the next node. Next is going to point previous node. And now previous node will become current node, and current node will become next node, right? And the last, it's going to be previous node, so we will return this, and we can handle the edge case. If suppose if head is null, we'll return, right. So yeah, so this is the iterations way to solve this problem, and let's run. Okay, let's succeed. So this is all about the solutions of reverse of a linked list. Hope you like this video.